Okay, next, I'm also going to present about the introduction of Ajinomoto Malaysia Berhad. So, as you can see here, for the company overview and innovation, Ajinomoto Berhad subsidiary of Ajinomoto company, including in Japan, which is Ajinomoto as also have their first factory, which is in Japan, and they started operating in Malaysia since 1961. It started with Ajinomoto or MSG, which is in science we call monosodium
And now we
glutamate,
also
offers a very seasoning
to the
and ingredients
part, which is
and
also
Ajinomoto also they have their focus area, which is health, nutrition, and sustainability. Ajinomoto they have their plant-based flavor enhancer, which is umami and kokumi. And also Ajinomoto they have a low salt, no animal ingredient, which is good for their health, for their consumer. And so they have their clean label friendly. Secondly, is eco-friendly factory, as we know that Ajinomoto is located in Bandar Estate and they have their halal certificate and they use a green technology and sustainable design, which is it can avoid from any pollution, for example air pollution, okay, and water pollution. And also they have a amino science technology, which is Ajinomoto creates a product based on amino acids research and tailored to local health and dietary needs, as we know that Ajinomoto are focused on health and also for nutrition and also sustainability. And next is SEM and community engagement, which is Ajinomoto support science competition like Science Castle in Asia, and also they promote food innovation and sustainability among the. So that's all from my part. And I would like to pass to the next presenter.
A
Thank
strong
you.
emphasis on aligning their innovation with health trends, consumer convenience, and sustainability practices. Ajinomoto Malaysia draw their innovation idea from two sources, internal and external. Internally, the research and development division play a central role in developing new product and improving the existing ones. These development are guided by the market demand, higher certification requirements, and also consumer expectation. So employee who work directly with customer, especially those on frontliner, are also contribute ideas by sharing consumer feedback and marketplace. Additionally, Ajinomoto encourage collaboration across departments such as sales, production, and marketing to ensure that innovation are realistic, market ready, and aligned with business goals. And externally, Ajinomoto constantly monitor market trends, particularly in areas such health and nutrition. They also stay up to date with the technological advancement in packaging and food processing. And also, regulatory changes are related to halal and food safety standard, and these will be influence the company product development and innovation processes. Furthermore, Ajinomoto benefit from collaborating with their parents company in Japan, which provide access to global innovation that could be adapted for the local market. The company, Ajinomoto, focuses their innovation in four major areas. The first one is health and nutrition, demonstrated by the product like salt and amino vital jelly gems, for example. The second is convenient cooking, which is reflects in their products, IG products that designed for simplified home cooking. Third, Ajinomoto also invests in industry food solution, aiming food service partners. And finally, the company committed to sustainability production, highlighted by their Bandar Estate Smart Plan in Negeri Sembilan uses an eco-friendly technology and support halal certified operations to prepare home-cooked meals more easily without changing the essence of the product. On the other hand, Ajinomoto also engaged in radical innovation. A good example is Animo Vital jelly drinks, which were introduced as a response to rising demand for sport nutritious and function foods. And also another major innovation is development of Bandar Estate Smart Plan in Negeri Sembilan, which integrate the automation, solar energy, and sustainability features, marking a significant shift in the manufacture operation. And Ajinomoto practices is a combination of closed and open innovation strategy. Through a closed innovation, the company rely on their internal R&D teams to develop and test products such as banana filter flour based on internet ideas to control processes. And also at the same time, the company applied the open innovation by collecting feedback from consumers on social media such as TikTok, Facebook, for engaging with the food service partner and also collaborating with their parent company in Japan and local research institution. Also, Ajinomoto applied the last innovation, the stage innovation process to guide the development of their product. The process starting for generating ideas based on consumer trends, user suggestion, consumer usability, through technical testing and market research. And once approved, the R&D teams develop and test the product prototype for the taste, texture, and quality. The product then undergo pilot testing with a small group of consumers, allowing the company to make improvement before the full commercial launch. Thus, the Ajinomoto Smart. So, for example, when through all these decades before, it launches a launch script and educational campaign to promote the health benefits of their
Adabi
product.
highlight Malaysian culture and home styling cooking, especially in festive aids. This helps them build loyalty and connect with local customers. Moving on to Masuri. Masuri targets young Muslim consumer with halal product. They use social media and advanced technology enhancement. Digital marketing in food industry is changing fast. Companies like Ajinomoto need to constantly it serves as a premium process, package source brand. They share online new machines, recipes, and better and longer lasting tips to attract system can reduce waste and speed up production. But staying ahead isn't easy. Adopting new tech is expensive.
Hello, my
Still,
name is
if
Muhammad
Ajinomoto doesn't
Muhammad
keep
Daus,
up
and
with
I will
these
continue about
changes
recommendation
and what
and
customer
marketing.
want, it is
First
falling
is
behind
they can
its
use go
competitors.
digital like the
Thank you.
Instagram, TikTok, or also YouTube platform. They can also share the short video and also recipe and the tips for the cooking. Second is the work with influencer. Team up with chef and food bloggers. Let them review and cook with the product. Number three is the promote health and halal. Highlight the healthy and also MSG free the option for the customer. Number four is the show halal certification clearly, like the next recommendation, which is technology advancing. First is contents and also the food manufacturing. Number five is they can support small nutrition program. Like second is the eco-friendly packaging. They can use the sustainable and customer data packaging for their and also the product idea. Number three is better supply chain. They can use the technology to track the inventory and delivery in real time. Number four is to keep the product fresh and avoid from delays. Maybe they can use the R&D product innovation. Moving on to the they can spend more on our research to create new and Ajinomoto using mud machine and digital system the customer feedback system the production. They can make and also platform for the customer to share ideas or review. Number two is the sensor help control the product temperature and ingredient to keep the product in high quality. Number three is they follow street food safety and halal rules, so the innovation must meet the high quality standard. Number four is the product are made to match the local taste based on the customer feedback. Number five, Ajinomoto educates people about MSG to clear up the misunderstanding. Customer education
and I will be covering for the
innovation
conclusion
for
on
the
our group assignment.
Ajinomoto company.
So during
And the
our
last
study
one,
and visit to
we learned that
Ajinomoto Malaysia
innovation means
Berhad,
smart,
we learned on
responsible,
how
and
important it
customer-friendly
is for a company
improvement.
to keep innovating to stay competitive
Thank you.
in the market.
That's all from me.
And Ajinomoto focuses a lot on maintaining high product quality while following strict food safety and halal certification, which are really, really important in Malaysia. And we also saw how they constantly improve their product based on customer needs and based on market trends. This helped us to connect the theory we learned in class with what happens in real businesses like Ajinomoto. So, for the second point, during factory visit observation, we noticed how Ajinomoto uses smart technology like sensors and automated machine. One key takeaway from the visit is that innovation is more than just new products or machines. It's about managing risk and also listening to customers. Sustainability by using solar panels and creating ways to avoid production problems. And even with all these technologies, employees still need proper training to operate everything safely and efficiently. To educate consumers balance between technology and also skill understanding. And we also learned that a company must be responsible and customer focused to succeed. Overall, our visit helped us to understand how companies like Ajinomoto balance tradition with modern innovation to stay strong in a tough market. Where the competition and fast-changing technology make it challenging, but Ajinomoto focuses on quality, customer needs, and also sustainability that keeps them ahead. This experience showed us how important continuous improvement and smart marketing are in real world. It also was a great opportunity to see what we learned in the class come to life. That's all from me. Thank you.